Big Bash League 2024 and 25. Today, some minutes ago, ended the final match. Two finalists, Hobart Hurricane versus Sydney Thunder. Hobart Hurricane won the toss, elected to field first. Sydney Thunder 20 overs, 182 runs, lost by 7 wickets. Sydney Thunder top scorer Jason Sangha 42 balls, 67 runs. Then Hobart Hurricane top bowling spell Nathan Ellis 4 overs, no maiden, 23 runs, 3 wickets. Hobart Hurricane 14.1 overs, 185 runs, lost by 3 wickets. Hobart Hurricane won by 7 wickets in this match. Hobart Hurricane top scorer Mitchell Owen 42 balls, 108 runs. Then Sydney Thunder top bowling spell Tanvir Sangha 4 overs, no maiden, 43 runs, 2 wickets. Player of the match Mitchell Owen. Congratulations Hobart Hurricane team, winner of the Big Bash League 2024 and 25.